Hi everyone, this is Jason with Southwest Adventure Tours. I'm the owner and president of the company, and for the last 14 years, I've invited people to come and enjoy exploring the Western United States with our company. Well, in 2027, the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints is opening the Salt Lake City Temple as an open house and welcoming the public for 6 months from April until October. And so we've made arrangements with them and with our tours and redesigned things to allow everyone to be able to come and see and experience the open house and be able to walk through the temple. This has never happened since it was dedicated in the 1890s, and probably will never happen again in our lifetime. But we want to be able to welcome our guests and to be able to share with them this momentous and unique special occasion, to be able to see the timeless architecture and classic that was created back in the 1890s with the pioneers that built this temple, that they took 40 years to build. And to be able to share with them also what modern engineering and what the church has spent the last 5 years doing to the temple to be able to ensure that it lasts for generations to come. We welcome everyone and invite everyone, whether we do a custom tour for you, whether it's on a day tour, whether you're joining one of our scheduled departures, to come and see and experience this wonderful, momentous event with us. Your adventure awaits.